Protect your vehicle's interior from every element with these premium all-weather floor mats, designed to provide dependable, year-round coverage. Built to resist snow, mud, sand, salt water, and everyday spills, these mats combine durability with functionality, keeping your car's carpet clean and safe from damage. Using advanced vehicle scanning technology, each mat is custom designed to fit perfectly, featuring a raised lip that helps contain dirt, liquids, and debris while preserving the pristine condition of your floors. The mat's textured, skid-resistant surface not only enhances the appearance of your vehicle's interior but also provides a secure footing for your feet, reducing the risk of slipping. Cleaning is effortless. Simply hose them off or spot clean with a damp cloth and mild soap, restoring their sleek, fresh look in minutes. Constructed from a 100% recyclable plastic rubber and polyethylene blend, these mats are eco-friendly and virtually odorless, ensuring a comfortable environment inside your vehicle while supporting sustainable practices. Designed for a precise fit, these floor mats follow the contours of your car, truck, or SUV, ensuring no area goes unprotected. The combination of durability, flexibility, and innovative raised edges provides long-lasting performance even under heavy use, making them ideal for families, outdoor enthusiasts, and daily commuters alike. Users consistently highlight the quality and fit, praising the mats for transforming their vehicle interiors into clean, professional-looking spaces while effortlessly handling dirt and spills. Whether you drive in harsh weather, carry pets, or frequently transport passengers, these custom-fit all-weather floor mats offer unmatched protection, style, and convenience. Their superior construction ensures reliability over time, while the practical design makes everyday maintenance quick and easy. Click the link in the video description to check current pricing and availability, and subscribe to the channel to explore more high-quality automotive accessories that combine functionality with style.